Hello everyone, get ready to be amazed. We are going to unbox the Elementary IoT Kit, Internet of Things Kit. So let's get started. The first component in our box is a user guide. This comprehensive guide consists of a brief description of various available components inside the box. It contains a step-by-step activity process along with a set of challenges too. So don't forget to brush up your knowledge by reading this guide. Moving on, let's talk about various components of our kit. This one is a motor block that provides motion to your creation. This one is called the threshold block, which is useful in projects where you want action to happen only if the input is more than a certain value. This one is a light sensor block that generates an output based on the amount of light shining on it. This one is a light block that provides light for your creations. Now, we have a buzzer block which provides sound for your creation. This one right here is a switch block which allows you to control power on and off to all blocks connected to it. This one is the inverter block that performs inverting operation. It has one input and one output. This is a battery block that gives power from battery to the other blocks connected to it. This is sensor base block that allows you to make use of various sensors in your project. This is a wheel that provides motion to your creations after fixing it with a motor block. This is a pulley that is useful to transfer or change the movement from one point to another point with a belt. Last but not the least, this one right here is an obstacle sensor that detects objects that are within a few millimeters to a couple of centimeters from it. So we are now at the end of our unboxing video. We hope that you must have enjoyed your video. Please like, share and leave comments on this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.